Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the new lesson, that is pollution causes and effect. So what is the lesson name? Pollution causes and effect. So that is the 9th lesson. So this topic we are going to learn today. First of all, you have heard the word pollution, isn't it, children? Yes, no? You have heard the word pollution. So what is meant by here? You heard the word air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and different pollutions you have. So what is meant by pollution? First of all, let us know what is meant by pollution. So pollution means harmful substance. Harmful substance. That means dangerous substance, or which is harm, which will do harm to us. Harmful substance in air, water and land. So pollution means harmful substance in air, water and land. So the harmful, that is called as pollution. So pollution means harmful substance in air, land and water. Air, land and water. So if that is there in air, water, land, that is called pollution. That is called pollution. So here, next word, pollutants. What is that the word? Pollutants. So what is meant by pollutants? Pollutants means these harmful substance that causes pollution. So these harmful substances or causes for the pollution is called as pollutants. So what is meant by pollution, children? Pollution means harmful substances are there in air, water and land. So that is pollution. So then what is meant by pollutants? Pollutants means these harmful substances causes the pollution. So these harmful substances cause the pollution is called as pollutant. So in these two definitions, we heard the word substance. You would have heard this substance word in your science. So many of you are similar with the substance word, even though let me tell what is meant by substances. Substances means particular kind of matter. So substance is nothing but, so it's a particular kind of matter. So matter, you know the meaning for matter. So that matter uniform properties. Particular kind of matter in uniform properties, with uniform properties is known as substances. So what is meant by substances? Particular kind of matter with uniform properties. With uniform properties is known as substance. Is known as substance. Or simply we can say that matter. Okay, so now you know what is meant by pollution, what is meant by pollutant and what is the meaning for the substance. Here, what are the different types of pollutions? What are the different types of pollutions? There are two types of pollution. One is, there are four types of pollutions. One is air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. So what are those different types of pollutions? Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. So these are the four types of pollutions. So let us know in detail about each pollution channel. We know that we are depending on human being dependent on the environment. So whereas due to the increased population and due to the technology and due to more population, we are overusing our natural resources, isn't it? So what happened if the population, what will happen if the population increases? If the population increases, what will happen, children? So automatically we need to increase the food crops, isn't it? We need to increase rice, we need to increase wheat, everything, whatever the food items, that should be increased, isn't it? So that should be increased. To increase these food crops, what we will do? We will cut the forest. Why we will cut the forest? To do cultivation. We need land for the agriculture purpose. So for that sake, what we will do? We will cut the trees in the forest. Isn't it, children? So why we will cut the trees means? So why we will clean the forest means? To do cultivation. To do the cultivation. Or for that purpose, to do agriculture purpose, we will cut the trees in the forest and we will clean the forest. Isn't it? And we are using this chemical fertilizers. So whatever nowadays, so the cultivation is majorly depend on this fertilizers we are using. There won't be any strength in the soil. So we are using this fertilizers. So what type of fertilizers we are using? Chemical based fertilizers. Chemical based fertilizers we are using. And pesticides that we are spraying to trees, these and all. Isn't it? Mango trees, banana trees, or some other trees to get good crop in that. So for that sake, we will use this chemical based pesticides. So why we are using these pesticides and the fertilizers, chemical based pesticides and fertilizers we are using to increase the agriculture crop, to get more crop we are using these. So these and all reasons for the pollution. These will make to pollute the environment. And because of this increased population and due to more technology and increasing technology, so urbanization is increasing. So what is meant by urbanization? Urbanization means here cities and towns are developing, isn't it? Cities and towns are developing. So if you want to do one job means in software means you need to come to cities, and towns are developing. So the villagers, those who are living in villages, they are coming to towns and cities to studies purpose or some job purpose or some other purpose. So if you consider nowadays we are using mobiles or maybe these and all, or maybe internet, Wi-Fi, 4G, 5G, these and all. So more technology we need. So for these and all, we need to this towers we need to keep for this proper internet connection. So these and all will also affect the environment. So birds nowadays there is no. So in olden days, if we wake up in the morning, we can see the this crows and some other sparrows, those and all. So if you get nowadays, if you get up in the morning, you can't see even single crow also. So like that the environment is. So like that the environment is polluting. So these are also major reasons for the pollution. So because of increased population, increased technology, and we are using pesticides, chemical based pesticides and fertilizers to increase the food crops or to increase the more production in agriculture, and urbanization because increasing of cities and towns, and industrialization. So nowadays industries are developing. So this chemical industry and maybe some other software industry and maybe some other oil mills, these and all, or maybe some other food product factories. So these and all are increasing. Because of this also the environment is spoiling. Our environment is polluting. causes for the pollution, exploitation of environment. So why the environment is becoming like this means these are the reasons. And so here we said that types of pollution, isn't it children? There are 4 types of pollutions: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution and land soil pollution. So these are the 4 types. First let us know about the air pollution. So first of all let us know about the air pollution. So what are the air pollution means? Pollution in the air. So whatever the air that we are breathing, so that air is also polluted. So how this air is polluted? The air is polluted in 2 ways. One is natural activities and human activities. Because of natural activities, the air is polluted, and because of human activities, the air is also polluted. So what are the natural activities that or the reason for the air pollution? So here the natural activities are sandstorms. We heard in the previous lessons. What is meant by sandstorm? Which will occur in the desert areas. So the sandstorm is nothing but it's a heavy storm which will carry the sand. Okay. So the storm will carry the sand. So that is also one of the reason for the natural pollution. And cyclones. So different types of what is that? Cyclone means storms. Cyclone is something different types of storms. Acid storms and so ice cubes that will also follow. These are all different types of storms, acid storms and some other storms. So these are also reasons for the natural pollution, natural activities for the air pollution. And volcanoes that we know. So it will. So volcanoes means volcano mountains are there. Some of the mountains, it's in Egypt side and maybe China side, those areas. So what will happen to these volcanoes means here an opening in the earth's surface that emits to hot lava. So when these volcanoes blast, lava will flow. It will be reddish in color. You have done it in your science. So that will flow on the earth, and it will produce such a heat. It will produce such a heat, and because of that heat and pollution, the surrounding areas nearly 5 to 6 kilometers or 10 kilometers will be spoiled. So those type of volcanoes and pollen. So which will have, we have heard this word in flowers. So if you observe the hibiscus, so inside the hibiscus flower, you can see that yellow color pollen for this sting type. So yellow color pollen, each flower will have this pollen. So that is also, so because of this pollen, some of them will get sneezing problem and some of them will get breathing problem. So those are all the natural air pollution, natural activities for the air pollution. And what are the human activities that will cause for the air pollution? So here the human activities are smoke let out by the factories, industries. So here the factories and industries will leave some smoke. So that smoke is also reason for the air pollution made by human. And not only factories factories, industries, even vehicles also leaving the smoke, isn't it children? That is also a reason for the air pollution. And burning fuel and crackers. Here we are, sometimes fuel will burn. So that is also causes for the air pollution. And crackers we are burning for the Diwali festival. So that is also and some other occasions or some other occasions also we will burn the crackers. So that is also reason for the air pollution. And spraying. So what we will spray them? We will spray them pesticides. We will spray the pesticides and insecticides sprays. This cockroach spray and some other mosquito spray. These are also we are using. And some other spray, insect sprays we are using for the trees also. Those are also causes for the air pollution. And chemical fertilizers. This will also pollute the air. So these are the reasons for the air pollution. So natural activities and human activities. Natural activities, sandstorm, cyclones, volcanoes and polar. So these are the natural activities. And human activities, smoke let out by the factories, industries and vehicles, burning of fuel and crackers, and spraying of pesticides, insecticides and chemical fertilizers. So these are the reasons for the air pollution. Okay children, so read up to this in your textbook. Thank you.